Hello everybody, my name is Calista and welcome to today's video where I'm going to be showing you how I get my signature pink eye look. Sounds like a disease. You know, I just figured Valentine's Day is coming up and I am in a very pink mood right now, so I need something to go along with that. You may have somebody in your life that you want to impress, a man, a woman, a friend, yourself, and this look is definitely going to do that for you. It's going to serve you all the pink fantasy that you want to have on this Valentine's Day. So let me just scoot you in and let's get to applying the makeup. Oh wow, you guys are really close to my face right now. Meet my new friend. Her name is Regina and she's a little bitch. This thing is so huge. It had 2 heads. I'm not even kidding. It's been there for like 2 weeks. So don't pay any mind to that. I'm gonna be using my Lunar Beauty Life's Little CD DVD. And the shade that I'm gonna dip into is Kai Kai. And then what we're gonna do with her Miss Thing is we're just gonna start to apply her right like this. You can use stamping motions. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I like to just stamp a lot of product right on and then blend it all out. So I forgot to mention, but it should be obvious that before starting this makeup look, I did apply a eye base. You can use concealer, you can use an eyeshadow primer, or whatever you wanna use. So now that I have stamped it out, I am just now blending it out with little circular motions around the outside of the look. I'm kind of trying to pull it away out here as well. Gonna give that little winged effect. And as you can see, I'm starting my eyes before the rest of my foundation. I just like that, you know, I'm gonna be doing like a winged liner and stuff. So because I'm starting this before I do the rest of my face, I can just do whatever I want, be as messy as I want, and then just clean it up. I'm going back in with another layer of the pink.
Clip my wings, now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this girl?
The next shade that I'm gonna go into is Snatched right here. It's just a very like burgundy shade of red, and I just like the extra dimension this gives the look. I'm just gonna really start to fluff this on like the outer portion of my eyelid and into the outer corner of my crease right here. And I'm also going to bring it like halfway into the crease. And then of course I will blend it upwards a little bit just to make sure that the colors are marrying with each other.
And you gave to me so long ago.
I'm gonna go in with another layer.
I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicide.
And then you can always go back in with your brush and blend out the rest afterward.
Showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling.
And the next thing that I'm gonna do is just taking my finger, I'm gonna go into Beat right here, which is just a really, really nice metallic pink shade, and just using my finger, I'm going to pack that on the inner corner.
Brave, and I don't wanna die.
And then taking the brush that I used to lay down Snatched, I'm just gonna make sure to blend the outside portion of the metallic shade. That's pretty much everything I'm gonna do for the upper portion. I'm just gonna get off a camera. Obviously, I'm gonna do the other eye. I'm gonna clean up this side. I'm gonna add some wing liner. I'm not gonna do that on camera because I don't want this video to be super, super long. And when I come back to you right now, I'm gonna have a really, really beat mug. You're gonna be shook. I really just take the brush that we used for the pink up here and I just kind of like smash whatever product is left over on the brush up against my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna take like a little pencil brush and I'm just gonna go back into Kai Kai. Okay, Kai Kai. And I'm just going to press this pink up against that lower lash line. I'm so annoying right now, I'm so sorry. I just can't help it when I have on makeup because that's when I start feeling like that bitch again. And then we're just gonna blend her out using that same brush.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think,
And I pretty much just leave it there, and then I take a black liner and do my waterline. Then I throw on a little mascara. The next thing that I'm gonna do is a little bit of highlighting. You can honestly take either the same shade that we used for the eyelid. You could take whatever you use for your hoe light, or you could take a completely different shade like I'm going to. I'm just gonna use this little crusty, dusty, and worn out e.l.f. Baked eyeshadow palette, and I'm just taking this little iridescent shade that's right up in the top corner right here. And then I'm just buffing that right under the brow bone with like this pointed brush. And then I'm also going to throw a little bit of that right on the inner corner tear duct portion of my eye. To make the pink look just really come together, just throw a lot of blush on your cheeks if you want to, if you're into that. If you're not, it's all cool, but I am, so I threw a lot of blush on, and then I put a lot of pink highlighter on. And then if you're curious about the lips, because I know they're looking really cute, I like to take a really dark lip liner. This is a Prestige lip liner in shade Plum, so it's like a really, really dark, like I would say kind of purpley shade. And then I took this little Wet n Wild like bullet lipstick. This is in the shade Think Pink. And after like overlining my lips up to Jesus, I kind of like fill in the middle of the lip a little bit. Then I just take the lipstick and I like dab it on the very center, and then I just smash my lips together, and then there you go. You have a little ombre lip moment. You're welcome. So that's the look. That's my little pink look. That's my little pink eye, my little disease, my little Valentine's Day make everybody's man jealous or everybody's woman jealous, depending on what kind of person they are. That's it, baby. So I hope that you liked it. Let me know what you think about the video. Let me know what you think about the look. Make sure to what? Subscribe, and also don't forget to like this video, comment on it if you want to. Let me know about how I look. That's it. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm crazy. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.